I don't want a pickle, just want to ride on my motorcycle. And I don't want a tickle, 'cause I'd rather ride on my motorcycle. And I don't want to die, just want to ride on my motorcycle. It was late last night, the other day, I thought I'd go up and see Ray. So I went up and I saw Ray, and there was only one thing Ray could say was, I don't want a pickle, I just want to ride on the motorcycle. And I don't want a tickle, I'd rather ride on my motorcycle. Yeah, and I don't want to die, just want to ride on my motorcycle. Late last week I was on my bike, running to a friend named Mike, running to a friend named Mike. Mike no longer has a bike, he cries, I don't want a pickle, I just want